6 real ideas or TikTok ideas for your business to help you grow your followers but also grow your sales. Hi everyone, welcome to Expand to Market YouTube channel. My name is Marsilda Bialczak, the founder of Expand to Market, a digital marketing agency helping companies and entrepreneurs not only to grow their followers online, but learn more about social media, sales strategy, how to build a really strong community, and how to turn those followers into paid clients. And if you're new to YouTube and you just started a channel, I would love for you to comment and say new to YouTube, so I can actually check your channel, subscribe, support you in any way, but most importantly, give you maybe a free review and how you can optimize your channel and grow your views and subscribers, but potentially to grow the community that you are thriving and so hoping to grow, to lead to more brand awareness, to lead to more exposure, and why not to monetize YouTube and have it as another income stream in the future. First one is relatable. Show a relatable problem that your target audience in the industry are facing and how your product or service is helping solve that. Follow a trend on TikTok or on Reels, if it's a sound, if it's like just like a trend that people maybe are doing a little bit dancing or something that people when they see it, they'll relate right away, and make it all about your product, your industry, or your service and what you have to offer to them. Show an impressive before and after of your product or service. So let's say if you're a construction company, show the before of how the place looked and how you turned it and transformed it into. Discounts. Use the discounts to your advantage by creating a reel with a text like I'm giving you a discount, use a promo code TikTok or Reel. So like you're grabbing that audience that is watching your videos to actually go to your landing page and buy that product or book that session or service that you're offering. Show your true personality by sharing your story, your value, if it's like as a company or if it's like you as your coach or consultant, whatever that might be. Give them a little bit more about why you started this, like where you were before, how you are now, like how things transformed during 1 year or 5 years in your business or your company. More social media tips and how to grow your business and turn those followers into paid clients. Follow along.